Gujarat to this place to celebrate this Gujarat Pavilion and India Pavilion. I also recollect Madam's note that Gujarat has a distinct land policy for wind. I commemorate that in 2004, Gujarat was the first in the country to declare a policy which is highly conducive, which opened up the gates for developing large-scale wind projects in the country, and it really became a catalyst for bringing a lot of investments and a lot of technology to Gujarat, which was either focused either to the south of India or other parts of the country. And then the journey has taken forward in leaps and bounds, and today we have about 8.5 gigawatt of wind power in the state of Gujarat, and it is close to 25% of the country's total wind capacity. I just need to tell that Gujarat, in terms of looking at the present technologies, it has about 150 gigawatt of possibility to set up wind projects in this small state of the country. And the Prime Minister's ambition of bringing 140 gigawatt into 2030 can be easily achieved by one single state of Gujarat. And also going further detail, Gujarat has potential of giving at least 22 gigawatt of wind power with CUF ranging between 37% to 52% only in the state of Gujarat. So definitely Gujarat can be a big power solution for the country as far as wind project is concerned. And to make a good note of the state governance, it brought a lot of policy innovations. It was the first in the country to bring a very innovative solar policy, which my colleagues already had discussed, and it commercialized the solar power in India in the year 2009 to 2011, when people had hue and cry. I'm sure my DISCOM colleagues definitely felt it as a pinch of salt that we were paying 15 rupees for buying that same electricity. But it was thanks to the vision of our current Prime Minister that the solar power, which was once upon a time costing about 14 to 15 crore a megawatt, has been brought to around 3 crore a megawatt just because of this ignition of the solar power policy of 2008 to 2011. And thereafter, now we have a very, very different, very, very innovative policy for hybrid, which also my colleagues have discussed.